channel. My name's Roy. Yesterday evening I got a package, so I'm going to show you what I got. Gonna swap something out on the 2021 Road Glide Limited. Let me grab the camera, show you what I want to swap out, and show you what I got. Okay, passenger floorboards. All right. I'm a little short, so I'm having a little bit of difficulty when I'm at stops, and not so much when I'm solo, but when my wife's riding, and these are down. Let me turn this light off here. All right. Here's my floorboard. So when my leg's down in here, I kind of hit these. My leg's right in between here. I got a short end seam, so when I go to take off, I'm hitting these. So I wanted to swap these out, and she was all right with it. She said these are a little bit too big, so I'll show you what I got. From Drag Specialties. Okay, these are short passenger peg brackets. I'm gonna swap these out. They have longer ones. I got the shorter ones, so it'll hopefully bring these in. And then I got Kuryakyn. Trident Dually ISO pegs. You know, they're like a little mini floorboard. All right. So eventually I'm going, these will match the highway pegs that I'll eventually get too. So I ordered both of these from J&P Cycles, and of course these things did not come with the brackets did not come with instructions, so I'm gonna have to figure out how they go, because they're one side, they're sided, so I'll have to figure that out. I'll take these off, and then come back and figure out how to mount those brackets, and then put the pegs on, and then later when my wife gets home, have her sit on them and see how they feel, and adjust them for her. All right, I'll be back. All right, take these two bolts out here. They're 5/16 Allen. Oh. All right. Take a loose bolt. Oh. All right. Well, one is a 5/16 Allen. Whew, it's hot today. What is today? August 26th? But, okay, so the bottom is a 1/4 inch Allen. Suppose I better take that one off first, huh? Bottom bolt has this sleeve on the bolt, and I think the new ones come like that too. I don't know if I'm going to use these same old bolts or use the new ones. Okay. I'll go take off the other side, and I'll be back. All right, so these, they got a little bend to them, so for the foot peg to be straight up, this one is for the side. This one's for the other side, because if you put this one on, then the foot peg will be here. So they got to bend to them. So you can figure them out. There's no instructions, but you can figure them out by the bend. All right, so I'm gonna put. It comes with new bolts with Loctite on them and everything. They're the same size, so I'm gonna put the new bolts in, and go from there. Loosely put that one in. Loosely put that one in. Get this one going. Wearing these off already. Maybe I should probably get an extension. I don't know how tight these are going to be, but I'm just going to do what I normally do. Feels good to me. Feels good to me. All right, the Kuryakyn comes with a screw here. This will twist for however you want it. This bracket here comes with the pins and the stuff to put this on. So I'm not sure how this goes. There we go. I got both sides on. And let's see what they look like. Okay. Here's the adjuster so I can pivot this. So I got them tight right now, but I'll adjust them when Renee gets home. This one here is a little tighter. I don't know why. I'm moving up and down. The other one's a little floppy. I don't know. But I can't let them go all the way up because they do hit the side. So I got to be careful. But when she gets home, I'll put them, get her on the bike and adjust them for her. So I'll be back later. Wasn't too hard to figure out.
The next day.
All right, so it's the next day. My wife got home. She didn't want to go out in the shed and check out the pegs. But I got the bike pulled out. I'm getting ready to go out to work. So I got the bike pulled out, and I want to show you what they look like in the light. So what do you think? I think they look nice. This one here, I don't know, this one whatever slides down a little bit easier. So, hey, let me try them out here. They look good. Let's see. Yeah, I got a lot more room. A lot more room. I think they'll be good. What do you think? Leave a comment below. I think these would be good for me. You know, being 5'7", so it'll give me more room. So, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think about these Kuryakyn mini floorboards? And when I get Renee on them, see how she likes them. But I think they're gonna be better. I won't be hitting my shins. So, all right, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.